You guys are here as well. This is your name right here. Me and my host, right? Is your name? So it's not just we in the paper, you in the paper as well.
Let's it.
Father God, me thank you for life. Thank you for my wife. Thank you for the bread, the butter, and the knife. And if that's all I have to eat today, Father God, I'm glad and will give thanks same way. Morning neighbors, what's good in the neighborhood today? It's Father's Day. I'm going to show you what we're up to. Boy, just grateful that I'm here and have a lot to give thanks for. You know, have life, that's the first thing. And I wouldn't be a father if it wasn't for the children though. I have to give them honor today as well, and of course my wife, because she bore all of them. Big up to my baby mother, Tina. I have a story to tell you, a quick story. So yesterday I went to the gas station, to the convenience store and gas station, right? So I think I was picking up a bread. And there's this guy staring at me for a good while now, looking at me for a long time. Until I hear him just say to me, and not in any discreet way, never come to me one away. Him like, yo brother. So I look up and I say, okay. Him say, I know you must see another star with the 10 picnic them. Of course I was like, so I just smile and I say, yo, I'm not 10 still, you know, it's not 10, but yeah man, I'm me, you see. And then somebody else chimes in and say, no man, I'm 6. Right? And I just smile again and I say, no, it's not 6, it's 5. First of all, I never know nothing about the star, so I came home looking, when did the star publish this? But at the same time, when I come and tell Tina, even though it may not have been the star, even though it may not have been published in the star, him clearly see me from somewhere for him to be able to say, you are the guy with enough pin in them. But today what we have planned, the mango that we found in the last video, today is one of our subscribers' birthday. Doreen, big up Doreen. I know Doreen through one of my high school friends. She is married to one of my high school friends, Moses. And I'm going to pass by Doreen. I haven't met her in person, but I know Moses. I think I have an idea where Moses lives. And I'm going to try to drop that off to them today because it's her birthday. But for now, that is it. And I'm going to show you the change the sticker on the car though. Because police will stop me and say, hey, where's the sticker? Why is it saying expired? Going to do that now and then we hit the road. Hope your day going good. So this is the sticker that I'm going to change. I intentionally did it for 6 months because what happens all the time now is that my vehicle documents expire at the same time. Fitness, insurance, and registration. And it's too much up and down to get all that sorted out at one time. So if I stagger this, put this in October and other things, you know, I just don't have everything to do. Go from fitness place, I have to change tire, adjust brake light, if I have to, you know, all them like running up and down there, go to tax office for get the payment done. And yeah, I just say, I'm gonna try to put something else some other time in the year so that I don't have to be doing everything all at once.
We under the mango tree.
So Ava has joined us, and Tina, baby mother, and I have a next story to tell you. So this morning I'm in the kitchen. I'd already give Layla and Zara tea and bread and butter, toast bread and butter. Anyway, an hour passed and Layla come to me and said, I have an idea. I was like, I have an idea. I've never heard this before. I have an idea. I was like, what's the idea? I want breakfast. So I was like, whoa, that's a good idea.
That's a very good idea.
I've never heard her say that
Good
before.
job, Lenny.
Never heard her say that before. You want breakfast? No,
I
Ava?
think breakfast is a great idea.
Give
Right,
them a smile,
right,
Ava.
Evie? Right, Evie, baby? Mwah. Tell Daddy Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Mwah. Give Daddy a kissy. Mwah. Yeah. Super Dad.
Anyway, when
So,
to get going?
I'm gonna make Super Dad breakfast. It's a late breakfast, but him eat late anyway. And then we touch the road.
Yeah, I forgot it was curfew,
Yeah.
so I have much less time on my thing. But I'm going to try to get all of what said. Get the mango to Doreen, and
Oh, you tell him say
yeah,
I'm
tell
going to
them I'm
deliver
going
to
to
Doreen.
Doreen.
Doreen, finally.
Happy birthday,
we hope
Doreen.
happy
birthday,
birthday.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
I'm going to call you soon. Don't call you yet, but I'm sure you should be home, right? Churches are online.
Okay, we're assuming.
I'm
but
hoping that you're at home, so
we can make the delivery. Should have to be there. We can still get it.
just will link you.
Ah,
Got it! How's that?
nice catch.
Alright.
Good job. What? You look a cricketing experience.
West Indies. Oh, when I was in when I was in prep school, I've told you this story. When I was in prep school, I was on the track team, the cricket team, the football team. I only run 1 race for the track team. My nickname on the football team was Bencher, but for cricket, one time they gave me a chance to bowl, and my first 2 balls, I never expected the pitch would look this big. So when I bowl at school, at training, the pitch is much smaller, the distance, wicket to wicket. But now we're at UWI, we're playing at UWI Dust Bowl. And them say, yo, Paul go bowl, so I get the ball.
UWI Dust Bowl? It's just UWI Bowl, babe.
Oh. So they don't.
But for many years it was a Dust Bowl.
Right. So I'm there now, and I get the ball, and it's a little orange ball because they don't make the youths play with the tough ball. And I get the ball, but I realize I look up and the pitch does look far, it does look long because I guess it's a standard pitch. So I know convinced that my bowling couldn't get it up there, so when I do, it spins a ball, so I run up and I go. But by the time I reach here, it's so again. So the umpire said to me, no, that's his flinging, you cannot do that. So I said, alright, next time I get them now, so I get out the ball now. And say, alright, I say, alright, so I got it this time. When I say, going round the wicket, you know what you have to do the style. And I go up again. And by the time I reach, so I say, no man, this is far. And I go. Umpire say, new bowler, I couldn't continue. And then eventually, them make me go wicket keep. I guess this way I was out of trouble. And I never bowl again after.
Are we dreaming?
Coming? Morning. Lifestyle. Oh, hello there. That's a nice picture.
Me and my house neighborhood, no put up on the map, you know. Put
Yes.
up on the map, guys. Right over this big, nice meal from Jackson Records.
Let's get in there and see that
Proud
pictures.
to be there, Dad.
Oh, nice. Look at that, guys.
So me and my house, guys. Big up to the neighborhood.
Yeah.
On the map.
Let's look at that picture.
And special shout out to the writer, Krista.
Krista Anderson, big up yourself.
Krista did a really good job of capturing the essence of our family.
Rudolph Brown, the photographer.
Yeah, big up.
Thank you
Uncle
also.
Rudolph. Right.
Look at Leila and Zara, who they were in the sun, so they
That's why them
brown it up.
But yeah,
Oh,
nice.
yes, say cheese. This was what
And
it was all about,
you guys are here as well. This is your name right here. Me and my house, right? You see the name? So it's not just we in the paper, you in the paper as well. Everybody in the neighborhood, big up. And thanks for the support, man, really. God open and close door over here. Just remember that. God is the one who opens and closes doors for you.
Yeah.
So it's on him and patient, and in everything make sure him get the glory in some way, shape or form, alright? Touching the road now, come.
Hi, Edie.
Okay, I want to put you something today.
You do?
I don't know, you know, like when you have everything for you, just want to sit back, sit back.
Hi, Avy. How you doing over there, baby? Yoo-hoo! Edie? No, why are you making that face? No, man. We're on the road. We're going to visit Grandma. We're going to visit Grandma, okay? You hungry? Alright. Grandma is going to come and look for you now.
Grandma coming.
Grandma is coming.
Grandma's coming.
Grandma coming, yay. Grandma.
Guys.
Whoa, look who's eyes are. Hi, baby. How are you? Tina, what? Lord, can you pick me then? Yeah, why don't you look, Tina?
Ta-da!
Congratulations!
Yes, you
Oh
put me
my
here, you put
God.
me here, you put me here. For this one.
Come on, come on. This is
Yes.
the boy. You take all of the instructions and follow them. Tina, you're doing a good job. Trust me.
Thank you, Mom.
Jesus.
Mm.
Look at this family.
This is a beautiful photograph, no?
So why did them set them face, sir?
Because them did just wake up
Oh my
and
gosh.
the sun. We were facing the sun.
This doesn't look like my happy little girls. The two of them look alike, just like, you know, Tina.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, Anna's looking so.
And I look pretty though.
Anna pretty,
And I look
man.
pretty like.
Watch
Coloring
Anna.
book.
Anna smile.
I look pretty like money.
And all them the Paul face to make Paul jaw look like one bigger one, so.
That is the angle.
God,
It's the lighting, man, just like that.
this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Half a page. You give me this, darling?
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank God.
come on.
Grandma loves you.
I on the way now to get to Doreen, just got her a while ago on the phone. And so we're going to deliver on our promise and let her have a happy birthday with her 3 Indian mangoes.
Not much to read, but it's the last
Right.
of the batch, and
It's the thought that counts.
it's the blessing on these mangoes that we're hoping to bestow on you for your birthday. May you enjoy your day. May these mangoes help to sweeten your day a little bit more.
Let's see if I can follow
the
direction
mango,
now.
this is the last batch on the mango tree, and I think it's the sweetest, you know, babe.
You feel so?
What? Must I eat one the other morning, yesterday morning, and may I tell you, say something sweet so till. So Doreen is getting the nice mango that fell on, when was that? Friday?
Yeah, Friday.
Friday. You see, you remember that nice, juicy, shine, red, gold and green mango?
It was
Yes.
put in the fridge and we
Why, my sister?
I think I lost though. So I found the place. And we're going to deliver. We're not on the ends yet, you know, so don't try to call us for any fast food delivery, but we have this one down pat.
Hi, Doreen!
Hey, so we decided we're not cooking today. Everybody tired. So just leave my mother's house and we're into Doreen. So now we're going to pick up some Chinese food that we ordered and just kick back in the evenings. Curfew actually kicking now, but we're going to pick up the food and just leave. Yeah, so no cooking today. Everybody relax for Father's Day. And we'll have vibe. Who did say my father always shine? Cheryl? You know, say it's true? Because I look at my forehead now, it's ever shine free enough. Anyway, got the Chinese food. I'm going to go home, go to now, just kick back. And I want to go in the little splash pool. It's not a big pool, but the babies enjoy it. But they're going to think I did it for them. I really need it for me because time hot. And I'm going to have a blast in the little splash pool. So hopefully the next mango drop from the tree, we can eat it and share it. But otherwise, I'll make some lemonade and that's all the vibe. So we're going home now, and that'll be the end of our little outing on the road. Because curfew kicking early. Yeah, so I mean, I am late. It's 2:30 and I'm heading back home, and there's roadblock on the two sides of the road. Understandable, police stop me. I drop all my windows and the guy looks in the car and says, "Where you work?" I don't understand how that is relevant to anything.
Him don't ask where you're living or?
Him don't ask why am I heading in this direction. Him don't ask any of that. Him just say where you work, and I answer him. And he's like,
don't ask where you're going.
He's like, okay. I guess my workplace on like some green list or something. Swim. Yeah. You sure? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Alright. Smile, say cheese. Cheese. Look here and say cheese. Look at that here. Everybody, hi! Hi! Stop drinking the water. Outside, baby. It's a blow button. And of course, you know who just can't help himself but to go in, right? I'm trying to stay from the temptation, but I'm gonna end up in there. Give me thumbs up, give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up, very good. Yummy? Looking at the birds and the bees. Looking around Eden. Yes! Look at God's great creation outside, the skies, the clouds.
I picked up these Iti Oti apples on our way home.
Iti Oti?
Ota Iti. You're Jamaican, you know. What do you guys say? Iti Oti, Ota Iti?
I remember I buy some from a guy months ago and the man said, I said, yo, brother, give me the outside eat apple. Man said, you mean the Ethiopia apple?
Ethiopia.
I was like, alright, yeah, man. That
Our
one.
Rasta man?
No, sir.
We know what we are talking about, not you?
I was stay on the bench today. I can't get to go into the game as I want to. Stay with Eden and Ava. Then I guess that probably, I don't know, residual stuff from the shop or anything.
From the what? The shop?
Yeah.
Why they a little
A
pussy?
little pussy, yeah. I'm not sure, but
Probably. Well, maybe. But
Looking
maybe
for
they
material.
need to get some rest. Maybe they're actually overstimulated.
I
Chicken
don't have
for breast?
any- I don't have
Alright.
any titty, baby.
All right, come to mama, baby.
Mommy
Come
have
to
the
mama.
titty,
Come
okay?
to mama, sweetheart.
You kind for the titty?
Come for mama, baby.
Tell friends what you kind for. I want the titty. Say pretty.
All right.
Eden loves me for me, not for my titties. Ava is all about the titties, so she always run into her mother. But Eden just loves me for me. The skinny black guy that I am.
Whoa. Ants. Get him. Thanks again, Krista. It was a lovely piece. We appreciate that you so carefully and what's the word I'm looking for, babe? But you thoughtfully considered our story, and we thought that you captured it really well, right, Paul?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
for sure. She captured it really well. Listen to this. Listen to how she put it, guys. They say that the father is a daughter's first love. So if we're going by this rubric, then Paul Reed is truly blessed to be receiving all the love that he could ever ask for and more. The fantastic father of 5 beautiful daughters, 2 sets of twins and a teenager, and husband to 1 incredible wife, sat down with the Sunday Gleaner to talk more about life in the super dad lane. Protective, nurturing, and loving by nature, amen, Reed became a stepdad before having biological children, but he dropped that prefix and assumed his role as the paternal figure in his teenage daughter's life. Wow. Yeah, awesome.
That's in right there.
Yeah, so Krista did say that her intro, her opening was the bomb. She did say that. Krista, it is the bomb. You did very well. We loved it. So we so appreciate that. We so appreciate all of you who continue to share in our story, and we just want to say big up again to
And to
all.
God be the glory, guys.
Yes, to God be the glory for what he has done and has been doing, continues to do through this channel, through us. We just ask that the Lord uses us
See this one
for
hold
his
up right
glory. Yes, miss.
here? See this.
She looking at her sister being nursed and wondering what's going on here. Yeah.
You want to come in there?
Leilans are asking for their daddy to come into the splash pool.
I think I should put in an appearance if it's even 5 minutes done. A 5 minutes appearance.
You can bathe them while you're at it.
You don't need to bathe again after this.
Right, so just go get the stuff.
No, as in, then get with up already.
You know, just wet up. And go get the towel and
Wait, but the
something.
multiplier now.
Emulsified. Yes, they need to be emulsified with all the sweating and stuff that they do.
Yeah, guys, so just another peaceful day. Never did anything too extravagant, but just being together, you know.
Yeah.
Hope your day was good. Big up against all the fathers. Well, by the time you're seeing this, Father's Day don't go, but once again, keep my hats off to you. Continue doing the work that you're doing. We're all super dads. You guys have the number of children we have, as
Yeah.
long as you're in your child's life. That is super of you. Alright?
And also, even if you have never fathered a child in the biological sense, we know that there are many father figures out there who are guiding and mentoring young people and who are standing in the gap for them And so, all the same, we want you to big up yourself on a day like this. And we say, God bless and respect for the work that you have been doing.
Yeah, man, so until next time, big up from me.
And my house.
Take care.
Ready?
After 3, 1, 2, 3.